Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with personal capital, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Personal Capital website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Connect your financial accounts by selecting the Link Accounts option. Choose the type of accounts you want to link, such as bank accounts, investment accounts, or retirement accounts. Follow the prompts to securely enter your login details for each account. Once all accounts are linked, Personal Capital will aggregate your financial data. Take a moment to review your overall financial picture on the dashboard. Next, use the Investment Checkup tool for portfolio analysis. This tool will assess your asset allocation and recommend adjustments. Explore the Retirement Planner feature to project your future needs. Input your income, expenses, and retirement goals for tailored projections. Review the insights provided to better understand your retirement trajectory. Utilize the Cash Flow tool to track income and expenses over time. Set up a budget to help you stay on track with your finances. Regularly return to your dashboard for updates on your financial health. Consider using the mobile app for on-the-go access to your financial information. Take advantage of any educational resources offered by Personal Capital. Familiarize yourself with the investment recommendation tools available. With these steps, you can effectively manage and optimize your investments using Personal Capital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.